Hey everybody. Yes, second time in my tanning pool. I'm very happy. I'm sorry. Oh, I did therapy today and then come out here while there's some UVs and there's no clouds and the sun is right above me. I so need this. But just checking in. I'm wanting to let everybody know I'm okay. Been a hard couple of days. Taylor's 4th anniversary, my friend. She'll always be 33. And my grandson's birthday, and then all the medical crap, and I didn't want to bring negativity to anything, so I think I'm okay now. I've accepted it. We'll talk some more about it tonight, but just to let y'all know, I am definitely having a ball. It's the second time finally in my tanning pool. This is more therapy than I need anywhere. It's so relaxing. So let me see if I can do this correctly. Let's look. Probably not, since I'm so whatever you call it, technically challenged. Okay, wait. Nope, I can't see. It's too hot out here. It makes me bright. So I'll just turn it around. See. Look how beautiful it is up in the sky. Look at that. It's a beautiful day today. Wind's blowing. It was so cold. See, it's just beautiful. It was so cold when I got in this water. I was like, oh God. Now it feels good. But I will see y'all after a while. Love you all.